Hey, what's up guys? I love fried chicken. I got hungry. I was on YouTube and I was watching some dudes make some fried chicken and I got hungry. So I decided to make some fried chicken. Got the flour, the wet batter, the seasoned flour with a lot of different spices. And got the chicken cooking. Look at that. And once they're cooked, you get this great result. You can hear the crispiness of the skin. Who thinks this is delicious? Look at that. All right, frying it one more time. Ooh, whoops. Alright guys, this is my sister Samantha. Samantha Wong in the house. She's gonna eat some of this delicious fried chicken. Come on.
Let's go! Hey guys, it's Sam Wong. About to dig into some fried chicken. Let's give it a taste.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's it.
So flavorful.
Samantha, what are you doing right now?
Making some French fries.
What kind of French fries?
Cajun fries. Yee yee.
Alright guys, the finishing product. Look at that. Some fried chicken wings. Alex Wong style. Oh yeah. Packed with flavor, so delicious, piping hot. Excellent. Yummy, yummy, good. Very good. Very good. I think this is the best fried chicken I've made so far in my life. Alright guys, got some mild barbecue sauce, some fries, some fried chicken wings, and then Southwest salad from the Trader Joe's.
To balance it out.
Let's dig in. This is for all you guys. Everybody who is watching, it's for you.
Salad.
This is the best fried chicken I've made so far. Look at that deliciousness. Dip it into this mild barbecue sauce. Bam! Look at that. Are you ready? Look at this. Crunchy.
Crunchy.
Spicy barbecue sauce. Very good combo. Come join me, guys. Very crispy. This is all for you guys. All my friends, fans, new friends. Come on over. Not just finger looking good, but absolutely delicious. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.